Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean base. Wash with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser and pat dry. Next, exfoliate to remove dead cells so brightening agents penetrate. Use a 5–10% AHA or a gentle physical scrub only 1–2 times per week. Patch test the chosen product on your jawline and wait 24–48 hours to check for reactions. Once you confirm tolerance, proceed immediately to apply your first treatment. Don't wait, because damaged skin traps pigment and slows results. You now layer active treatments thoughtfully. In the morning, use a vitamin C serum, 2%–5%, to reduce oxidation and even tone. In the evening, switch to a low-strength retinoid like 0.5% to accelerate cell turnover. Include niacinamide at 2%–5% to inhibit pigment transfer and support the skin barrier. Make sure to apply products thinly and wait 30–60 seconds between layers so each absorbs. Once done, always follow with moisturizer to minimize irritation and maintain. You finish by locking in results. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning and reapply every 2 hours when outdoors, because sun undoes brightening. Maintain progress with weekly hydrating masks and consistent moisturizer to prevent dryness. If irritation or increased pigmentation appears, stop active ingredients, use barrier repair products, and give skin 1 to 2 weeks to recover. If dark spots persist or worsen, consult a dermatologist for targeted procedures. That step prevents long-term damage and speeds reliable improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.